Today is the day we kill people with the sledgehammer. Sledgehammer, sledgehammer. Oh, the soap in or sledgehammer. I wash it with soap after I crack some skulls every freaking day. Yeah, I gotta say, yeah, it's pretty cool. I can summon a firewall and crap like that. But it's even cooler when I can literally beat the absolute crap out of people. And cars. Ooh. As you can see, I can literally launch them out of the map. There is no barrier. And I can also put them in a gravitational pull, which does pull off all hair and back accessories and face accessories and stuff like that, but that's not the point. The point is that I can do this. I just took off all your accessories. I can knock them out of the park too. Oh, I could do that to eggs. Nice. I can do this to ladies too. Did you see that? Knocked right out of the park. See that? Knocked right out of the park. You want to spin? Boom. Not right out of the park, but in a pretty good spot. Everybody needs to be bald here. No hats, no nothing. That's my new policy here. See? I can knock people all out of the park. How about this? How about this? Hey, come here. Gravitational pull, go! Run! Oh, you survived? Good job. Get knocked. Yeah, so basically this thing rips everything and knocks it very far. That's the point of the sledgehammer. It's supposed to knock things out of the park. What the? Out of the park! What the? There you go. See? And of course, as you can see, it knocked me out of the park. So, yeah, basically that's the sledgehammer's job. Its job is to literally knock everything out of existence. See? Everything. Humans, girls, boys. Ooh. Well, most of the time it knocks them out of the park. And eventually people get pissed off that you keep knocking them out of the park. So, as you can see, that lady was just here, but I knocked her into the void. And soon will this lady join her. Soon you'll join her! Yep, see? She joined her. You're lucky enough that it keeps your accessories. Oh, I can... Oh, trust me. I can do better than just catch up. I can make my missiles catch up. Or I can make them miss. Or I can make them catch up. Or miss again. Or I can make them get a double kill. I chose double kill. I chose double kill. Quadruple double kill. Alright. Who's next at Walmart? At Walmart, we provide you a sledgehammer. This thing's supposed to knock you into the void. Not the person using it. That's only if you're sitting on something and you knock it. Hint, hint. I already did that. Oh, she's like, oh, hell no. To the no. Ooh. See? Knocked right out of the park. You survived? Not today, sucker. My dad never said to hit girls with my hands. I can only fight boys. So, I decided to do this. If I can't hit him with my hands, I'll hit him with a sledgehammer. And so same thing with boys. I've been terrorizing these dudes. Okay. Oh, cool weapon, man. Oh, cool weapon. I have a weapon too. It's called a nuke. Well, it's actually called Staff of Crimson Chaos Fire, but that does not matter. Oi, mate! Oi! Oi! You hit the wrong house, fool. Oh, you think I'm scared? You're so lucky, man. You're a lucky man, man. Try to touch me and die. Oh, you don't think I have a ranged weapon? Is that what you think now? Gaming? And rode right through VIP. Stupid bite. Oh, so. This is like 300 Robux. Go buy it. It's just called a sledgehammer. And you just wha-bam people. Like this. Wha-bam! I sat on the damn chair. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this wha-bam video. Goodbye.